is Tom Garrity. I'm a Senior Site Manager at Alton Park in Telford. We'll be here for a period of about 2 years, building 165 units, a mixture of affordable, open market and private rental housing. We have a mixture of about 24 house types ranging from 1 to 5 beds. I've been at Lovell as a manager on and off for 5 years. I'm heading the team here, which comprises of one assistant, Dan Ball, another site manager, Adam Cooper. We're running the site in 2 streams simultaneously to handover dates and service connections. We'll now head on to site 2 where the process starts all the way through to completion.
So this is the first part of the build, which is the foundations, which the house is built off. Our foundations happen in 2 parts. The first part is called piling. This is the pile in front of you. It comes in different levels, pre-made, made out of concrete. It's effectively stilts for our house. Reason being the ground quality on this site is quite poor, so you have to put these in to make sure the house actually stays up. They get hammered into the ground by a big machine as far down as about 14 metres. Once they're into the required length, the ground worker comes along, cuts them down to the ground level, and then we start digging out for the ring beam what the actual house is built off, which you'll see in the next video. So yeah, as we said, once the pile's been cropped and we've reduced level dug down to the bottom of the foundation, this is basically what you're left with. What the ground workers have done, they've basically put a layer of 50mm concrete in, called the blinding course, which basically gives a nice level surface for the precast or pre-formed steel cages to sit on. This is an example of steel cages, what the operatives have put together. So the next phase now we've pile cropped down to this level, the binding's gone in, the lads will come along, put the cages in place and actually form the ring beam itself. I'll connect those all up and then we'll use an item called peck and fill, which will then form the actual foundation with the shape itself before we backfill. So that's on to the next process. Right, so the next stage of the build, once we've done the foundations, is the substructure. This comprises of concrete blocks and bricks. This is basically the element of the build where now we're building up the DPC. At this point, bricklayers come on, we build the internal block walls which carry the floors, which is this element here. It's pre-insulated concrete planks, so that's the insulation. Built within that is rebar and concrete, which basically forms the underside of the actual main floor. Before that goes on, if you pan round to the right, you'll see the underfloor drainage, which goes on beforehand, the telescopic vents which allow airflow underneath the floor. Once the floor planks will go on, thin layer of insulation goes around the perimeter, your DPC, and then the floor itself is cast, and that's then your structure up to DPC level, ready for your superstructure bricklayers. Part of the build from substructure and the floor is superstructure. This is now your main external walls. You start off with the internal blockwork, form any window or door openings, and then you bring it up with the external brickwork. In between the brick and block is something we call a cavity. On this you fill it with insulation. That's basically giving the house or structure a coat, so it's nice and warm in the winter and it keeps the heat on the inside. In between the blocks and bricks are wall ties. This keeps both skins tied in together so none of them move and they don't fall down at a later date. Right, so the next stage of build is the roof structure, which you can see here. So the bricklayers will go up to the wall plate level, which is basically the top of the ceiling in the top floor. What then happens then is you get these, which are pre-made trusses, will come along to site. The carpenter will get these on, brace them up, which you can see here with lateral and diagonal bracing, and fix them all ready for the bricklayers to go again to build the outside walls. Once this is done then, and the brickwork's up and complete, and the roof structure's complete, we'll then go on to actually tiling the roof in so it's watertight, which will be the next stage. So the next stage of the build now on the superstructure, we have the actual floors. This comprises of wooden joists, which you can see the edge of there, which sit on the internal walls, and then you have a 22mm chipboard floor, which is basically a wooden sheet, which interlock and sit on top. That creates your wooden floor then internally. What will then happen is what you can see here, the superstructure will then go up again, and your next point then will be roof level, which we'll see next, which is the timber trusses which form the roof. Right, so now we're inside, the roof's on, and this is called the first fix stage before we plaster. So we fit all the internal walls, we fit all the cables and pipe work, and we also fit the stairs. Once this is all in, we get it inspected, and that's when the plasterers start and cover it up and make it look like a house. So also in first fix stage, we also fit the windows and doors, so this makes it watertight, so no water can get in and we're actually dry inside.
Okay, so once the first fix is complete, we're now on to the plastering stage. This is part one of two plastering. Basically, internal walls get plasterboard covered on top with screws to fix them. Then the block work will have plasterboard as well stuck on with an adhesive, so that sticks on ready for the next stage, which is skimming, where it gets covered in a thin coat of plaster, which you'll see on the next video. Right, so stage two of plastering is when we apply the actual plaster itself to the plasterboard. So this has already been done, and this is what it will look like after. The next stage is when we go into mist coat, which is a thin coat of paint, and into the second fix stage, which is where we start applying these skirting and architraves around the doors. Right, so once the plastering is complete, we're on to the second fix stage. The walls get a thin coat of paint applied to them, so they're ready for painting later on. The carpenter comes in and fits all his skirting and architraves onto the walls and door. The electrician also comes in, starts fitting these sockets and lighting fixtures ready for the lights to go on. Once the second fix has been complete, we then go into the painting stage and the filing stage, where the doors go on and the walls get fully painted. So this is the final stage of the build. Decoration has now taken place, doors have been fitted, the house has been finalled, and then we've actually furnished it as well. So this is the finished product which we'd hand over to the customer.